जयदीप अहलावत की नाचते हुए 15 सेकंड की क्लिप ने पिछले कुछ हफ्तों में कई लोगों के दिलों को हील किया है। क्या उनकी नई फिल्म कुछ और जख्म भर पाएगी? आई नो इट्स सो चीजी एंड बट फ्रेश थॉट्स निकल नहीं रहे ये फिल्म देखकर। Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel, जहां आज we are talking about Cookie Gulati and Robbie Garewal's Jewel Thief, The Heist Begins, now streaming on Netflix. तो ये Netflix release is not a remake or a spiritual sequel of the 1967 Jewel Thief, तो कोई comparison नहीं है. Not that this one comes even close to Vijay Anand's classic, where Lata Mangeshkar sang of secrets in होठों में ऐसी बात में दबा के चली आई, and Vaijayanti Mala danced and danced and danced. Nah. Here, it's three men chasing after each other, after a diamond. There is one sole woman who in this story is meant to look pretty, be kissed, and be fallen in love with. But I'm getting ahead of myself. The film opens at a high-profile art auction. Centerpiece है Gustav Klimt की painting Medicine, which we are told has been missing for centuries. But Rajan Aulak, played by Jaydeep Ahlawat, who's a rich collector, has now rediscovered said painting. Side note, no big deal. Klimt's Medicine was destroyed by the Nazis in 1945 in Germany. Jewel Thief is more in conversation with the Abbas Mastan race movie universe than its 1967 namesake that it aspires to pay homage to. वहाँ तो Shroud of Turin चुराने के plans थे ना एक फिल्म में, तो एक painting तो वापस ले आया, क्या हो गया? So we know something is off with Aulak, है ना? But because he wears velvet robes with dragons on the lapels, we also know that this man means business. Soon we cut to Budapest, because is it even a slick Bollywood crime thriller anymore without a vague European skyline? Saif Ali Khan appears. He is Rehan, the titular jewel thief, on the run from the police. He steals expensive necklaces, makes international headlines, and uses his loot to get the ladies. So Rehan is a hardened criminal with no time for breeziness. बस शायद बेचारे को कभी प्यार नहीं मिला. Aulak and Rehan's paths cross when they plan to steal the Red Sun, a 318-carat African beauty diamond worth 500 crores. The diamond is in a museum protected by laser beams, and they have a 6-minute window where they can hack the mainframe to commit this crime. All this while, incompetent cops led by Rehan's arch nemesis, the sharply dressed, handsome Vikram, they inch closer. Kunal Kapoor is Vikram, is very nice to look at. If this sounds like a movie you've seen before, it's because you have. It is. As the plot unfolds, and by unfolds, I mean sort of clumsily totters ahead, we also meet Aulak's wife, Farah, played by Nikita Datta. Just the kind of broken but beautiful woman Rehan needs to complete his life. Oh, a love triangle is brewing. Except Farah has been written bearing the personality of a garden turnip. Nothing happens because nothing has been designed to happen. This film has two directors. And in between them exist largely forgettable titles such as The Big Bull, Dhokha, Round the Corner, Romeo Akbar Walter. Interestingly, the film doesn't seem to carry a writer credit. At least there is none to be found on the official trailer end slate. Correct me if I'm wrong. Sumit Arora is credited for dialogue, and if I'm getting this right, British writer David Logan is credited with screenplay. So much like the resuscitation of Klimt's Medicine, who is responsible for this film's story is shrouded in mystery. So, I don't know who to blame for the harebrained heist plan that makes Home Alone seem Hitchcockian. So worried this film is about not leaving anyone behind by becoming too complicated for our mushy brains. Each scene in Jewel Thief is fed to us pre-chewed. Saif walks into the museum. He sees CCTV cameras. We cut to Jaydeep Ahlawat asking him, "और उन cameras का क्या?" I'm like, "भाई तुम लोग का क्या?" A woman says charger out loud while looking for a charger. Confused नहीं होना चाहिए देखने वाले को. And obviously there is some password hacking involved, which is just as stereotypical as you see in TikTok influencers के videos about how stereotypical password hackings in films are. Guess करो comments में if you think there is a gamer involved in this movie. I will tell you if you are right.
सिर्फ 3 दिन जान सिर्फ 1 दिन.
What about your other partner?
My absolute favorite is Musa Bhai. He's a man watching a Squid Game knockoff style Russian roulette inside the mysterious Colosseum. He's in Istanbul. He's even richer, even more mysterious, and he owns this Colosseum. Except this lair is actually Griffith Observatory in LA that anyone who has been to LA or has seen La La Land will tell you. Edit में ऐसे बेहतरीन establishing shots लगाए हैं Colosseum के unironically, it's amazing. Mike Myers makes more serious films. At one point, when Rehan is getting the living daylights beat out of him atop a helipad, he mutters, "Fuck it, maar lo." That might be the most safe moment in this film. A film that is a spectacular display of how wonderfully things can go wrong despite having some of the best actors able to elevate all written material. Unfortunately, like the gold gumbaz of the observatory, Colosseum, this film is hollow. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Jewel Thief is एक homage तो देना था ना. तो Vijay Anand is used as a code word for a character who didn't need a code word. But it's cute. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.